Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A41. Okay, so let's begin. I should go to the settings and then developer options. You can see that bootloader is currently unlocked. Now, to lock it, we need to turn off the device first, but before we begin you need to remember that if you lock the bootloader, the phone will perform the factory reset and everything will be erased, so have that in mind. For example, you can create a backup of the data before you start. Okay, now we need to power off the device, so hold the power key and volume down at the same time for around 2 seconds until you see the power menu. Then click on power off and tap again to confirm. You also need to prepare a USB-C cable that is connected to your computer as well. It's necessary. And of course, computer needs to be turned on also. Connect your USB-C cable to the computer, and now we need to hold both volume keys at the same time, volume up and volume down, and now insert the cable. But don't release volume keys, keep holding them until you see a menu. Okay, when you see it, now we need to hold volume up for a little bit until we see the question, do we want to unlock the bootloader? Lock bootloader, I'm sorry. Here we have it, lock bootloader. We gotta confirm by clicking volume up. That's the moment when the phone will perform the factory reset. So, confirm, volume up. Okay, now we can unplug the cable. And now we need to wait until our phone turns on. And when it does, we'll have to go through the setup process. We'll get to the developer options once again, and we will fully lock the bootloader, because we'll have to turn off the OEM unlocking feature. So currently we need to keep waiting until our phone turns on. Okay, the phone has turned on, and now let's go through the setup. So let's hit the button to start the setup. Select your language. In my case, of course, I'll stick to English. Click on Next, Next. Select that you agree. Click on Next. Agree once again. We can skip the Wi-Fi for now, so thanks to that the setup will be much faster. I don't want to copy the data. More, accept. I'm also skipping the screen lock. Finish. Okay. Okay, now our phone has turned on, and now let's turn off completely the bootloader. We need to turn off the OEM unlocking feature in developer options. So first we need to go to the connections, and we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. So select available network for you and connect to it. Okay, now we can go back to the main page of the settings, scroll all the way down, click on About Phone. Now software information. Tap on the boot number real quick 7 times in a row until you see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back to the main page of the settings, scroll down a little bit, developer options, and in here we need to turn off the OEM unlocking feature. And now it says that we need to restart the phone to use device protection features. If you don't see the OEM unlocking somehow, don't worry, sometimes it happens. All you need to do is to click on Software Update and then click on Download and Install. If an update appears, you don't need to install it because we are only doing this, we are tapping on Download and Install because thanks to that we are connecting to the Samsung server, and then you can go back to developer options and the OEM unlocking feature should appear. You can also try to reboot your device or turn off and turn on again the developer options. And now it's said that we need to restart the phone to use the all protection features, so hold the power key and volume down and tap on restart, tap again to confirm, and after that our device will be fully protected and the bootloader will be fully locked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.